Okay, so this is how to create your own Google Meet session. Um, the first thing you want to do is log into one of your Gmail accounts. So you can do this by going through the gmail.hawaii.edu and get into your email, or going through MyUH. So if you go to MyUH and pick any one of the Gmail stuff, so Gmail or Google Drive or something like that, and log in. So I'm already logged in, so it takes me there. But on any of these pages, you notice how there is this Google Apps button up here on the upper right-hand corner next to your account login. If you click on that, you'll notice there's this icon here that it's like a video in a chat bubble, and it says Meet on it. This is the one you want to look for. If your apps don't have this Meet, you might need to scroll down or add additional apps. There's like a button down here that'll sometimes expand it and give you more apps, but it should already be here. So if you click on Google Meet, you're already logged in, so your account should show here in the corner. And then it's going to say join or start a meeting. So you're going to start a meeting. So it says to start your own meeting, enter a nickname or leave blank. So you could call it group, whatever your group meeting is, if you're using this for your group project, or you can leave it blank, it doesn't matter. And click continue. It'll give you this like loading page first. And so you notice how mine, because I've been in Google Meet before, it already knows which camera and audio, your microphone that I want to use. So it just does that. Yours, it might ask you to choose it or allow it. And the other thing you should check when you do this is that you see this, it's three dots that show that I'm talking, so that it shows that my microphone is working. Right now, my camera is off because I'm using my computer to do this video, but otherwise you can test your camera and then you'll be able to see yourself what you would look like to other people. If something's not working, you can go to these three vertical dots here on the side. Let me show you that again, these three vertical dots here, and you can do settings, and then it'll have you choose what your microphone is, choose what your speakers are, and then you can test to see if they're working. Okay. So after you do that, then you can click on join now, and then it'll tell you what the URL is for other people who want to join the meeting. Okay, so when you do this for your group project or even just study group, you want to create this room first, which is what we just did, and then email or post your URL to other people that you're inviting to come to this. Only people with the information can join. So I can't join your group if you don't tell me where you're meeting. So perhaps you want to meet without me. I don't know. And then there's also a dial-in and PIN number if people want to join just by voice on their phone. But just notice that this is not a toll-free number. So if you don't have free nationwide calling, then you will be charged for it. Okay. So that's that information. If you ever lose that information, you can go down here into the bottom left-hand corner and click on it, and that information is there. Okay? And then the rest works just like how I did in my other video about using it. You can turn on and off your microphone, turn on and off your camera. You can see who else is in the meeting with you. If you can see the chat window that other people will be using. You can turn on and off captions. The thing that you probably want to know is everybody in the room can also choose to present. And so if you use this present now button, you can choose to share whatever document you're working on or your entire screen, so you can show other people what you're talking about. So let's say for your group project, you found a good image from a website that you want to include in your report. You could show it to them this way while you're meeting. But other ways work as well too, right? Like you could email them the link, your group the link, and everyone can access it that way. It's just nice sometimes when you're all talking, meeting live, that you can discuss these things really quickly as opposed to emailing out and waiting for people to reply. But it's up to you how you want to do it. This is just one option. And then in the corner here, these three buttons. Oh, is it going to let me do it? So anyway, when you act these, you can change your layout. You can turn full screen, turn on captions again here, but you can do that on this down here. You can also record the meeting. I don't know that anybody would want to record it, but make sure you get everybody's permission if you are going to record. Okay? And that's kind of the basic how-to. Let me know if you have problems. This is new to me too, but I find that it's fairly easy to use. And then to exit, again, you click on this leave call. And then if somebody accidentally gets kicked out or something, then you can just rejoin and it'll put you back into this and join again. Okay? Okay, good luck.